are moving to a next phase, and that phase is personal preparedness, workplace preparedness, and community preparedness. Right now, we can start doing a little bit more. We should ramp it up a bit of a notch.
Got it. Okay, so this is important. And I don't know where government preparedness comes into that, but personal, workplace, and community. In fact, it strikes me that the best preparedness in this country is at a community level, because that's sort of where it executes, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. That personal protection that we can enforce on our own, and certainly stuff that we can do at the workplace, at the work site, and then furthermore, what we can do at the community level. For instance, I was just thinking a few minutes ago, what about soup kitchens? Are we prepared to be able to still host food kitchens if we don't have staff?
Right, or homeless shelters or things like that.
Exactly, and anyone with disabilities, of course.
Yeah.
But in the home setting, there is certainly a number of things we can do to keep ourselves healthy.
Yep.
That's primarily our major goal at this stage, and certainly to keep ourselves as safe as we can without getting panicky.
Right. So what are the things, basic things that people should do on their own? Do masks help? Do they not help? How should we be thinking about this?
No, and first of all, for the general public, we don't have enough masks, and we probably don't have enough for our healthcare workers yet, although I know they're trying to get much more. But for ourselves, we're all hearing about increased hand washing. That's certainly number one. We can certainly cover our coughs, use respiratory etiquette as much as we can, throw out our dirty tissues, try and isolate ourselves a little bit from other people. I notice it happening on the subways already. One thing, I got a message just before I came here, and that was from the NYU president, and he is now asking all of the NYU family to not travel internationally for the next 60 days.
Right. I've seen Ford has issued that. Google has issued that. A number of major companies are saying,
but a university,
go.
We are a huge university with 11 campuses overseas. So that was quite a little surprising for me, but I think prudent at this stage.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.